I didn't build multiple streams of income by working more. I built them by choosing one message and sticking to it. And before we get into this any further, I want to invite you into something. If you want to learn how to build income with real people in real time with me, you've got to join us in my very own free school called Income Without Burnout. Everyone is welcome. We can't wait to meet you there. The link is in the description below. Now back to the story. So when I was just looking at my income streams a few days ago, Amazon and Skool in particular, I saw something really exciting. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Sybil, and in 2025 alone, I made over $4,500 on KDP as a self-publisher. That's Amazon's print-on-demand service, and I'm really proud of that. With my best-selling book, Burn Bright, Not Out, 35 Lessons That Cultivate Teacher Wellbeing, that book has become my entire brand, which I'll tell you more about later in this video. But also, on top of that, I sold over $21,000 worth of product, mostly the Illuminate Journal on Amazon as an FBA seller, so fulfilled by Amazon seller, and I'm super proud of those numbers. Now, that's just revenue. I did not make all of that money. Keep that in mind. There were lots of expenses, especially as a brand new seller, and I'll be breaking that down more in the near future. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in. And guess what? When I looked at all these numbers, they all tied into one thing, one topic, one message: to burn bright, not out. And just as I am now, that gave me a huge smile on my face. I'm so proud of what I built from 2023 publishing my book to today, January 4th, 2026. And guess what? The best is yet to come. I'm in full alignment and consistently showing up with this YouTube channel as well. This will be week 5 in a row. Go Sybil, woo! But if you're thinking this is sounding boring or slow, I want to remind you that we're looking for something that is sustainable, okay? We want to live a daily life of high quality and build a business and brand. Everything I'm going to share in this video is built around one idea. One. You're going to pick one topic and you're going to go deep, not wide, and you're going to let the incomes layer on top of each other slowly over time. Now let me show you how this actually works. I started with one message: burn bright, not out. That message came from lived experience, burnout and recovery, and the vicious cycle that you can get caught in. I'm driven, I'm ambitious, but I wanted something different. I wanted to do all of that without burnout. I started with a story I could not stop telling. And guess what? That message became my first book and now my entire brand. And it became the filter for every income decision I made moving forward. And you can do the very same thing. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for trusting me. To make this a bit more tangible, let's start with a topic that's different than mine. Let us say that the topic is eating healthy for women over 50. Not dieting, not like perfection and strictness, but just rebuilding trust with food. Here's how we would pressure test that topic. We need to go to where people already spend money and their attention. Places like YouTube and Amazon and the Skool Discovery page and Udemy, right? They're all over the place. And I want you to search for your topic. See what's out there. Read the reviews, read the descriptions, subscribe, watch a few videos, sign up for the free community, see what they're offering. You want competition. If people are already there, demand exists. Then I want you to ask yourself one honest question. Could I talk about this topic for one whole year and not get tired of it? If the answer is yes, you're ready to build. And this leads to income stream number 1. Publish a book. You can self-publish on Amazon like I did. You can even become a bestseller like I did too. I highly recommend that you publish a book, and here's why. My book was the first thing that I created because it clarified my message and it helped me build trust with my audience. So sometimes people say a book will never get you rich, and for many people that is very true. But either way, it builds authority and credibility. Plus, with a little bit of money in Amazon ads, I was able to sell over 80 books last month alone. My book was the first thing I created because it clarified my message, it built trust with my audience, and it gives me so much credibility and authority in the field of well-being and not burning out. So sometimes people say books will never make you any money. Well, that's only partially true. If you just sit there and don't market it, don't run some Amazon ads, things like that, it might not make you a lot of money, but it can make you some money. And some people are making quite a lot of money, and that's in my 2026 plans as well. If your book was about healthy eating, you could talk about energy, mindfully eating, having 3 meals a day, whatever your transformation process is. And then you can turn that into an ebook and even a print on demand on Amazon KDP book for completely free. There's no inventory, no tech overwhelm. Amazon does it for you. It's the perfect platform for books and even low content books sometimes too. Inside Income Without Burnout, we talk about A+ content. We talk about our listing. We talk about all of the things that go into selling on Amazon as a self-published author. The book naturally leads to income stream number 2, create and sell physical products. My journals and planners exist because people want to live their message, not just read it, not just consume it, but actually experience it. If we want to think about our example of healthy eating, we might make a grocery store list notepad. We might make a meal planner. We might make a monthly calendar. And so we can turn those ebooks and that physical print-on-demand book into a physical product where people will really cherish it, and it's a premium product at this point. I also talk a lot about Amazon FBA and Amazon ads in Income Without Burnout, so join us there if that is interesting to you. And a quick side note, if you could hit like and subscribe, it would really help me out. I'm really trying to stay consistent and grow this channel. Okay, back to the system. Income stream number 3 is build a community. This is where your income becomes connection and reoccurring. A Skool community gives people a place to learn, make real connections, stay consistent, and not do this alone. And that's exactly why I built my Skool community. As a former teacher and instructional coach, I know how important it is to provide a safe environment where people can trust you and really learn with you. My Skool community, Income Without Burnout, supports women who want to self-publish, build physical products, and grow income without hustle. The free tier is open now. The link is down in the description below. There's also a VIP tier that I just opened 2 days ago for a lot closer support. I've already sold 2 of the 5 spots, so join us now if you want to get in this kind of founder phase of the VIP tier in Income Without Burnout. Now, I've got a bonus for you because I like bonuses. Let's talk about one more tier of income that you can get started with right now and do successfully in 2026. That's affiliate income. This is not your foundation, but this is a great bonus and a layer that compounds on your other income streams. I earn affiliate income by sharing tools that I recommend, like Skool, like Monarch Money. These are 2 examples from my real life that I use every day and love to share with my colleagues. And if they join using my link, I get a little bonus. Notice I call it a bonus because I have no control if they'll join or not, how long they'll stay. Therefore, my income can be completely variable. That's why I like to call it affiliate income, the bonus income. It's not the foundation, but it's a nice layer on top. And you can do this too by sharing tools that you love. So many of the tools we have will reward you these days for sharing. And every time you do, you're helping somebody else genuinely solve their problems. Now, you might be wondering how this whole system works. Publish a book, create and sell physical products, and start a school. And I'm going to tell you, my secret sauce is finding your Ikigai. What you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Grab the free guide in the description below. Burning bright is my filter, and everything runs through it. You only need one filter too. So here's your next step. Join Income Without Burnout, link in the description below, and let's build together. I'll see you next week. Bye.